Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate using final non-access modifier with methods in Java. So let's get started. When you specify the final non-access modifier before methods in Java, those methods cannot be overridden by the child classes. Okay? So in the previous sessions, I covered method overriding, right? Okay. When a particular child class creates the same duplicate copy of the method in the parent class, that method in the child class is said to override the method in the parent class. The concept is called as method overriding. But what if you specify the final non-access modifier before that method? That method cannot be overridden by the child class anymore. Let's see that practically. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as animal class. Inside the animal class, I'm going to create a method that is public void eat method. Okay. Here I'll write the print statement. Animal is eating. Now here, create one more class dog. Okay. Create one more class. I'll make this dog class a child class of the animal class. Extends animal. Now, if I create the same method which is there in the parent class as a duplicate copy in the child class, okay, like public void it, the same method which is there in the parent class, I'm creating the replica of that particular method or duplicate copy of that method in the child class. I'll not get any error. Okay, here dog is eating L, right? You see, I'm not getting an error, but this particular method in the child class is said to override the method in the parent class. Okay. So here you can write @override. This concept I already covered in the previous sessions, right? As part of method overriding. Fine. So normally it is possible to override the methods in the child class when final non-access modifier is not specified before the methods. You see, I'm not getting any error so far. But the moment I add final non-access modifier keyword before the methods here, this method in the parent class cannot be overridden by any child classes. You will get error like this. Cannot override the final method from animal. The final methods cannot be overridden by the child classes. Simple words. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover how to use final non-access modifier with classes. The remaining item is classes. Okay. Variables I covered in the previous session. Okay, what will happen when we use a final non-access modifier with variables, that is global variables? In the previous session I covered. In this session, I covered what will happen on using the final non-access modifier with methods. And the next session, I'm going to cover what will happen on using this final non-access modifier with classes, the last item. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.